Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Samsung. Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Doesn't it seem like it was just like a week ago we were unboxing the Z Flip 3? Crazy how time flies. And by the way, I do have my Mickey D's coffee, so once in a while I'll be taking a drink. I had a midnight shift last night, so I'm trying to stay awake.
Get on with it. Yes, get on with it.
So, okay, I'll stop talking. Let me know if you got the Z Fold 4 or the Z Flip 4. And I'll tell you, Samsung, like, literally wraps these puppies up really well, which is something I love to see. Kudos to Samsung and the cushioning. Here's the box. That's pretty cool. Okay, look at all the different color choices. All the different colors you can get the Z Flip 4 in. It's nice and sealed. I like to see the seal there. And let's go ahead and open this up. And hopefully, I may have to turn up the lighting a little bit, but bam. In here, I'm sure, is the cable and the booklet. Quick start guide and terms and conditions. There we go. And there's the USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, so what I'm going to do is turn my lighting a little bit over this way so you can see. I gotta figure out how Samsung. Oh, okay. Remember those days where it was like, yeah, that is just bold. Totally digging the white color, the cameras and the flash right there. Power button, fingerprint reader, volume rocker, speaker, USB Type-C charging port, the mics, the other mic right up top there. Got your 5G antenna, you got your SIM tray right there. That is nice and snug. Just that much firmer when closing the Flip 4. Wow. Here's my green. I mean, that feels good, but you can just feel that firm tightness when closing the 4 in comparison to the 3, but still the 3 does it really well. So if you look at the Flip 3 in comparison to the Flip 4, you can definitely see the thickness over here with the hinge area. A little more on the minimal side with the Flip 4. Samsung's got a new hinge mechanism in there that allows this area to be more on the minimal side. Got that matte finish on the 3, shiny aluminum metal here on the 4. I like the matte finish because if you're not sporting a case, you're going to definitely see fingerprints on this guy over here, but I'm hoping that whoever I'm talking to in YouTube land watching this video is going to be sporting a case on their new Z Flip 4. Should be sporting one on your 3. Going to protect your investment. Man, yeah, you could drop this and protect your display because, well, obviously it's a flip phone, right? But the damage that can happen to the body, yeah, well, you don't want that, man. I'm telling you right now, it'll shatter, crack, chip. It's not worth it, man. Buy something that's really minimal if you don't like cases. Something on the very thin side, as long as you got some sort of protection. But that's just my opinion. That's how I see it. They're both good looking phones. Yeah, I really love the feel, that tight, firm feel when folding that Z Flip 4 in comparison to the Z Flip 3. But again, this isn't bad. Both devices are very strong, solid, great build quality on both, but over here it just feels that much better. Just that much better. Yeah, loving that. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. What I'm going to do is take some pictures of these phones next to each other. Let me get another drink of my coffee. All right, we're going to get a good look at the silicone cover with strap case for my Flip 4. Put the box over there, out of the way. And there it is. All right. Now, there is this adhesive on both parts of the case. Now, there is this adhesive up top, this part of the case, and right in here with the bottom part of the case, so you can peel that film away and it will stick to your Z Flip 4. But I'm not going to do that because, well, like most of you know, I review a lot of cases. So what I'm going to do is bend that in, if I can do that. There we go. All right. Like that. Okay, nice and snug. Plenty of depth surrounding that 1.9 inch second display there. Cameras, nice and protected with all of that depth. Flat surface, a little rough, you should be fine. Anything rougher than that, well, I would use your discretion. Power button fingerprint reader, side mounted fingerprint reader. Exposed, obviously, so you can get into your Z Flip 4. Power button, nice and covered up. Speaker, a little bit of depth right there to protect the speaker grill there. But that's on the right hand side. Huge cutout there for the USB Type-C port. Cutouts there for the mic. At the bottom and at the top, there's the other cutout there. So if we were to look at it this way, that's how you would see it. Okay. Everything covered up on the left-hand side. Very nice. Very grippy. The strap, like this cloth canvas type material. It says Flip right there. Got a little metal rectangular ring there. That's to keep it locked into that area there, because when you're using the strap, you want to slide a couple of your fingers in there like that, so you have a really good grip on your Z Flip 4, so it doesn't fall out of your hands, especially for those of you that just can't seem to hold on to your smartphones. Man, this is perfect. Yeah, I'm digging that. That's really, really cool. I love it. Plenty of lip all the way around the display. Not a whole lot of lip, but you got some lip there, but it doesn't matter because you're going to close your Z Flip 4 to protect that display. It is here that you want a lot more depth going on to protect that second display in your cameras there. Now, you're not going to be as protected right here. So, utilize that strap. Gots to have protection for my investment. And we'll get into the watch really quick. Here's your cable. USB Type-C. And your little charging pad there. Okay. Obviously, I'll have to use one of my other wall chargers to plug the USB Type-C side of it in so I can charge this guy up. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, I am digging it. It's got this white silicone straps. I think this is aluminum metal here. It's a good looking watch. Easy to power it up. There we go. Total price for everything that I got here, $277. That's what I paid. I'm done. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you all. More to come. Tell me what you're looking for. Leave it down below in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, this was just one of those relaxful unboxings, just hanging out as if we were sitting here together, just chit-chatting. And I appreciate you for sticking around. Till my next video, which will be soon. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. I am out.